is Joshua and I'm going to show you how to make a paper airplane. First you fold it, the paper, that, and you open it back up. Then you fold these two right there on the line you just made. Then you fold this part back, like that. Then you take these two flaps and fold them down, like that. Do the other side. Then you fold this, then you open this up, then you fold these two in. Come like that. They don't have to be touching, but if you want them to be touching, that's fine. Then you fold this there. Then you take this part and you take it, fold it there, like that. And then you do the other side. Then you fold your piece like that. So it looks like this. Then you make the wings. Take this, fold it like this. Fold one and fold two. And that's how you make the paper airplane. No, not that. When you fold this, fold the other side, and that. That's how you make a paper airplane. Goodbye.
Okay, fly it towards me.